how to make money with AI generated music. So, is it possible to actually do this? Well, absolutely, but it's not quite as simple as hitting a button and raking in the cash. So you're first gonna have to understand the AI music landscape. So tools such as Amper Music, AIVA, and SoundDraw can create unique tracks based on your input. But the big deal is when we move over to copyrights and licensing. So AI generated music often uses elements from existing copyrighted works, so just make sure to understand the licensing terms and avoid copyright infringement. Now the good part, when it comes to monetization, sites like Artlist, Epidemic Sound, and MusicBed all allow you to sell your AI generated tracks to filmmakers, YouTubers, and other content creators. You can also upload your music to platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, and YouTube Music, so you'll actually be able to earn royalties based on streams. And as another way of bringing in money, if you're skilled with AI music tools, you can also teach others through online courses or tutorials. Alright, so let me know in the comments if you have any questions and if you've tried making money with AI music. And of course leave a like and subscribe, then we'll see you on the next one.